Hi, everybody. It's Doug Wolf with Town Real Estate Group, and today we are looking at the Rain Monthly Data Report for September 2012. This is put out to us in October as a recapture of what happened in our multiple listing system. And so we're going to get right to the numbers. Once again, this is information that if you're looking to buy or sell, you can see the trend lines and see what's going on and see if this is the right time for you to put your home on the market and price it properly and get it sold. Or if you're looking to buy, if now's the right time to buy and where we are as far as inventory goes. So once again, getting to the numbers, the city of Norfolk for the month of September, 1,388 properties on the market. And that number is actually down about 10.5% where it was last year at this time. So inventory continuing to decrease, and you can see throughout the year to date, it's decreased pretty much every single month when it's compared back to 2011. The number of units sold, 182 units sold in the month of September in the city of Norfolk, and that percentage is also down a little over 11%. Median sold price for those that were sold, $160,500. And that price actually went up a little over 10.5%. So we did see a slight price increase, which you can see the only other big price increase that we had was back in May. So that's an interesting sign that we're seeing it right here. It is starting to fall in place with inventory being down. We would think that the price would go up. And months of inventory, 7.08 months of inventory. That's getting really, really close to a normal market as far as inventory that we currently have that needs to sell. How long would it take to sell it? 7 months. Anything in that 4 to 6 range is pretty normal. Below 4, we start to get into a seller's market, and above that 6, 7 range, we're really in a strong buyer's market. But as you can see, inventory's low and prices are going up a little bit. And that's a good sign. That's a very strong sign for the city of Norfolk. City of Virginia Beach, 2,360 properties were currently on the market for the month of September. And that, wow, that is a 24.5% decrease in inventory over last year at this time. And you can see we've pretty much consistently been in the 20s for the city of Virginia Beach all year long, with an average year to date of 23%. So inventory is very, very low in the city of Virginia Beach in comparison to last year at this time. Number of units sold, 459 units sold, and that number's actually up 12.78%. So we did see an increase in solds for the month of September versus last year at this time. That's a great sign. $239,900 was our median sold price, and that's up just about 5.5% of where it was last year at this time. And our monthly inventory is at 5.11, which is a great number. That's hopefully we'll see it stick around for a while, and you can see consistently throughout the month it has been below 6. Chesapeake. Number of units were on the market, 1,494 properties were on the market in the month of September in the city of Chesapeake. That number down 23.07%, much like the other two cities. And the number of units sold, 260 units were sold. And that number of units sold percentage is actually up 9.24%, a good sign for the city of Chesapeake, having properties that are selling. Median sold price, $227,500. And here you can see they had about a 4.5% price increase versus last year at this time. So prices starting to increase over last year. And monthly inventory, 5.76%. I'm sorry, 5.76 months. Which, as you can see, that's a great number. We're in a very normal market in pretty much in all three of these cities. What this definitely means, though, is if you're looking to sell your property, you're going to need to price it properly. Even though the market is down, you can see these numbers aren't flying through the roof as far as a percentage of price change. And you definitely need a market analysis on your specific subdivision, and we can definitely help you with that. So please don't hesitate to give us a call, 757-515-4728. You can go to our website, bettercalldoug.com, and see these graphs and more specific numbers. We'll see you next month.